Hello everyone. Finally, KTM company is going to be launch its one more new bike in Indian two-wheeler market, which is upcoming new generation KTM Duke 390 bike. And recently, this upcoming bike is spotted during the testing in Indian two-wheeler market, and its spy shots and images are viral in social media. From the spy source of new generation KTM Duke 390 bike, it's all the features, specifications, and many more things are fully revealed. So in this video, we will talking about the all the things of this new generation KTM Duke 390 bike. So make sure to watch till the end of this video. So in terms of looking and design, definitely new generation KTM Duke 390 bike will get sportier look, and overall the looking of this upcoming bike is really good, and definitely it will be attract the audience by its looking and design. In the front section of this upcoming bike, it will get LED headlight, and the company will also offer LED tail light and LED signal turn indicators. And in the mid section of this bike, it get muscular design fuel tank, and company will also offer comfortable split seat in this upcoming next generation KTM Duke 390 bike. So these are the basic features of this upcoming bike, and after that, finally talking about the key features of this upcoming next generation KTM Duke 390 bike. Maybe it will get TFT display, and this display maybe it will get TFT display, and definitely it will get a lots of features like speedometer, odometer, tachometer, fuel indicator, gear indicator, and KTM company will also offer Bluetooth connectivity and many more features in this upcoming next generation KTM Duke 390 bike. With all of these features, definitely it will provide sportier vibe, and overall the looking of this upcoming bike is really good. So apart from this, finally talking about the engine specifications of this upcoming bike, maybe KTM company will also offer 373.2cc engine specifications in this upcoming bike, and this engine specifications is capable to generate a peak output power of 44 PS and 37 Newton meter peak output torque. So definitely it will provide best performance in this upcoming next generation KTM Duke 390 bike. And after that, finally talking about the hardware configurations of this upcoming sportier bike, it will get alloy wheels in this upcoming bike, and the braking duty of this upcoming bike is handled by the disc brake. Maybe KTM company will also offer a dual channel ABS system in this upcoming KTM Duke 390 bike, and the suspension duty of this upcoming bike is handled by the telescopic fork suspension at the front section and monoshock absorber suspension at rear section, and both are the best suspensions, and definitely they will provide comfortable and smooth riding experience in this upcoming next generation KTM Duke 390 bike. So yeah, this is the basic features and specifications of this upcoming bike. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.